Hello kids! This is Teacher Ems, your teacher to the rescue. Are you excited for our new lesson today? Good job, because Teacher Ems is also excited to teach you. But before anything else, let's have our ABC song. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we learn this song, you'll see. Ready to read, then we will be. Alligator, blue bear, cat and dip dog, elephant, fox, goat and hippo, iguana, jump, koala, lion, monkey, nest, otter, pig, queen and rabbit, seal and turtle, umbrella, then whale and telephone, yo-yo, zebra. It was fun and now we're done. It's great indeed. Now it's time to read. Always remember, kids, recognizing the letter, knowing the sound, and learning how to write the letters are the road to literacy. This time, let's look for the mystery letter. Where is that letter? Let's sing first. What is the letter today? What is the letter today? What is the letter today? The letter is, drum roll please. It's letter B. Before we know more about letter B, let's have our story first. Let's sing. Let us have a story time, story time, story time. Let us have a story time with Teacher Ems.
Boom, Boom, Boom by Alisa Liang. This is Ben. Ben blows bubbles. Ben blows bubbles in the bus. A boy gets on the bus. The boy blows balloons in the bus. Boom, boom, boom! The balloons pop.
Have you understood our short story? It's Ben who loves to play bubbles in the bus. Ben, bubbles, and bus start with what letter? Good job! It's letter B. Now, what letter is this again? Good job! It's letter B. Now, what is the sound of this letter B? Okay, the sound of letter B is B, B, B. Say the sound again. B, B, B. B, B, B. Good job! This is the uppercase letter B and this is the lowercase letter B. But you can call this Mommy B and Baby B. Again, before you write, it is important to be familiar with the lines needed to form a letter. Now, how do we write the uppercase B or the Mommy B? How many lines do you see? Can we count? 1, 2, 3. So, how do you write the uppercase B? First is the straight line going down, the curved line, and another curved line. This is the uppercase letter B. We are done with the mommy B or the uppercase B. Next is the lowercase b or the baby b. So how many lines do we need? Can we count again? 1, 2. We need 2 lines. So how do we write the lowercase b or baby b? You need a straight line going down and a curved line. This is the lowercase b or baby b. Again, this is our DIY alpha build. If you want to grab a copy of this, you may check the description box below and download it. We are now ready to trace the letter B. First, how do we trace the uppercase B? Follow the line downward. 1. Next is the curved line. 2. Another curved line. 3. This is the uppercase B. Next is the lowercase b. Again, straight line going down, 1, and the curved line. 2. We're done tracing the letter B. This time, we're going to copy them by writing on the board. Do you still remember the alpha build? How many lines do we need for the uppercase B? Great job! We need 3 lines. The first one, line going down, and how many curved lines? Good job, it's 2. Now let's write the 2 curved lines. 1, 2. This is the uppercase B. Let's write the lowercase b. How many lines do we need for our alpha build? Do you still remember? Good job. We need 2 lines. A straight line going down and a curved line. Let's copy it. 1 and 2. So this is the uppercase B and the lowercase b. Now let's take a look at the different pictures that begin with the letter B. Don't forget, say the sound first and then tell the name of the picture. You ready? Let's get started. Butterfly. Bat. Balloon. And ball. Bus. Bed. Bee. And boat. Activity time! Now don't forget to check the description box for the free template. Once you're done with your work, please upload and then tag me on Instagram and Facebook. Our first activity is This is my letter book B. Don't forget to leave your name here. You may color the pictures that start with letter B. Color the uppercase B to get through the maze. And this one is the lowercase b. I spy the uppercase letter B. You may use a dot marker or color the circles with the correct letter. And this one is spy the lowercase letter B. This time, we have our rainbow, right? You may use crayons to trace the letter. And this is the lowercase letter B. We also have dot the letter. Use a dot marker to fill in the letter. And the lowercase letter b. We also have roll and Right. You may use a dice or roll the die and trace a letter on the matching line. So we have uppercase B, lowercase b, uppercase B, lowercase, uppercase, and then lowercase b. Last one, color the pictures and read the sentences. Now this is our next and last activity, the letter B craft. Don't forget to check the free template on the description box. Let's get started. This is what we're going to copy, the letter B. That's all for today's video. Hope you learned something from Teacher Ems. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.